The number one reason that businesses can't get their funnel to work is that their offer isn't scalable to the market. Instead, when you own a business, you feel like you're spinning your wheels, listening to gurus and telling you to duplicate their funnels when it really is just your offer you're lacking. I learned how to craft my $1 million landing pages by testing millions of dollars to find what works in my own business and what does not work. So in this video, I want to show you how you can get the funnel to convert with ads or even scale it further than what you already have. So give me a subscribe and watch this to the end because I'm going to give you some crazy value in this video right now. We've generated tens of millions of dollars using this strategy in this landing page I'm going to show you on the screen. So I want to walk through the numbers and what you're looking for. If you're running an info business, social media marketing agency, or even if you're running another business and you have a funnel that's not e-commerce. E-commerce is a little bit different. The percentages are a little bit different. But if you're running anything in the info space or SMA space, you're going to be looking at a 20+ percent. Some people get 25, 30. This hovers usually around 20 to 30%. It's definitely 20% is like on a lower end, but you want to make sure you're getting anything above 20% to really make millions of dollars. This is how, like I said, us made 10 millions of dollars. This is how we made $10 million plus basically having a landing page is converting at 20%. So it's really so simple. When I show you guys are going to be mind blown because it's such a simple thing that we do that generates these crazy results that makes us millions. So here we go. It's a very simple landing page like this. I know it looks like crap and you're probably like, whoa, there's no way this makes money. But I'm telling you right now, all the guys with the crazy fancy landing pages, it's really hard to make money with the crazy fancy landing pages because there's too much on the screen. Your prospect doesn't want to look at something and have a bunch of crap on the screen and then going up and down. They really want to see a landing page that has a simple opt-in with a simple way to get what they want. So you can change this up. There's a couple versions here. It's obviously all about testing. You can get rid of this bottom part and just put a button here and keep it super simple. You can put a picture on the left and then put your name, email, phone number, and write some key points. It really depends on how you want to do it. But this simple landing page right here is what is making us a bulk of our money. It's a very simple page like this. And obviously a lot has to do with the offer as well. Like this offer was doing pretty good for a while, but it all depends on the offer that you're running, depending on the niche. So if you're in the roofing niche, like you can do any type of offer. Like how we generated this one roofing client $10 million in under 1 year using the SMART strategy. You know what I mean? So it's like there's different ways you can angle stuff. You always want to make there's some kind of mysterious word in it. Like I say smart strategy because it's kind of mysterious in a way. And I know it sounds kind of like off, but you have to come up with that term. So it's like, watch the free training shows the exact process, generate 30 close bookings every month. So you, first of all, you have a time frame. Second of all, you have how much they're going to get. What's the result? And third is like, they can watch the free training. There's no mysterious wording here. I would 100% add a mysterious word because testing that works a lot really well for us when we do that. There's a lot of like AI nowadays. So you can use something with AI. You're like, hey, how this fitness strategy uses AI to get a six pack in under 60 days flat using the six pack method or something like that, like something different. You want to be different and sound different. Obviously you have to put some thought in it and write down different ways, but it's really that. And the time frame is super important because people always want to know a time frame on how to get there. The colors too matter a lot. I think colors that work really well are tan, red, blue for buttons. You can test different colors and do stuff like that. Once you're about to leave here, a pop-up should pop up as well. This page right here, there's nothing's gonna beat it. You can always try like different longer pages. Maybe you can, if you want to make it longer, put testimonials underneath, you can do that too as well and test that. But this is obviously, it has outperformed most of what I've ran in the past. Like I said, the results are right here. As you can see here, people, visitors, 5,000 people, 4,000 people, 20%. 20% means people are putting their information in. So then you can have your appointment setters. If you have a team of appointment setters, they can dial up those numbers and then go bazonkers on them and just call up all those numbers so then they can basically get leads on the calendar. So I wanted to show this to you so you guys can get it right. So you can keep looking at your numbers when you're running your funnels. Always try to make it 20% above. If it's not 20% above, there could be a few things. Either could be your ad. If your ad's not generating leads, then you don't worry about it. But if it's generating leads and they're shitty leads, then if this is lower, it could be the ad is crappy. If the ad is really good and it's generating leads and this is like 15 or 10%, you probably want to start working on your landing page and switching up the wording. A lot of it has to do with the offer, like the headline. The headline is super important. You want to state your avatar. If it's B2C, obviously you're trying. Let's pretend you're a YouTube automation and you're trying to show people how to make YouTube channels and make money. You want to you're gonna target people that maybe are that have money. They're investors, or maybe you're gonna target doctors because they have money, and you want to have them create a passive income stream doing that. So there's many ways that you can go about that. Um, Keep switching, make this landing page, make it a great headline, and test two different versions. You can always test two different versions on the main step page. If you go to the main step page, you can do create variation and then create two different versions. I always do one test once a week. And this is where Alex Hormozi preaches this as well. You always should be doing one test once a week all the time. And I would put this to 10%. So sometimes when you create a page here, you're going to do create duplicate, and up here is going to be a percentage. I'm not going to do it right now because it can mess things up, but you can create a percentage. You're going to put like 10%, 15%, see what metrics it goes. If it goes over 20%, I would scale into 50-50. So they're basically distributing it to each landing page 50-50, but I like to keep it at like 15 on one and then 85 on another. But that's, guys, if you got value from this video, please subscribe down below. Send me a message on Instagram if you want to learn more on exactly how to create $1 million landing page and how I can get you your next $1 million, basically creating the craziest headlines and craziest funnel to make you generate that income with just one simple method. Then I'll be here to answer any questions and get you up to speed to work one-on-one with you. I'm not like most people where they don't work one-on-one with you and they send you to, somebody else. I actually get on calls, me and you one-on-one, and we do it together. And can't wait to see you grow and expand. Talk soon.